Okay, once you've set up your Google credential inside n8n, there's a couple more steps that we need to do. First off, we're going to need the spreadsheet that is going to feed the information across into the workflow. So that's going to look something like this. I've created a template. You can follow this link here and make a copy of that. And basically what we've got, an ID, the image name, the prompt, the image URL, the status, and then the video URL. In the video that goes over the workflow and setting up the nodes, we'll run it and we'll go more in depth on how this works. For now, we just need to create that file. So you can either download that, make one yourself, and then save that inside the Google account that you've set up the credential for. You also need to grant permission for sheets. And the way we do that, head over onto the Google Cloud account, select the project that you created when you were making that credential and set that up. And then what you need to do is use the hamburger menu, find where it says APIs and services, and then enabled APIs and services. If we click on there, we see we've got the blue button here. We just click on plus to enable APIs and services. Your search box appears, and then all you need to do, search for Google Sheets. Click on it, this comes up, click enabled. And that's it, you've now enabled Google Sheets. You could also search for other things like Google Drive, Google Docs, or any other services that you might use there at a later date. If that's been done properly, if you've set up your credential, watching the video on how to set up that, then you should be at a point where you have your credential that you're connecting to here. And then if you've created that sheet and given permission for n8n to access sheets, when you double click on the Google Sheets node inside of n8n and select that credential to connect with, if you put into resource sheet within document and then operation get rows, what you'll see is now if you go from list, when you click on the drop down menu, you should see any sheets that you've got in there. So you'll be able to select the one that, like the template that you've downloaded, give that a name, and then you'll be able to find that within there. And we'll go more in depth in that now when we go into the video of how to set up each of those nodes and run the workflow.